Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. To the channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In this advert, I'm gonna show you why you should enroll for Boomcrash indices, Millionaire plus cars. Actually, this is gonna help your life overnight. You see, here we have private courses. You see, it's very much privatized. I'm not talking about this. We talk about this Boomcrash indices, Millionaire plus course, B's M plus. This is privatized. You can't have access to this until you enroll for the course. The truth is, a lot of people want to make money, but they haven't paid the price. If you really want to change your life, we are running promo on this simply because I just want to add value to the community of traders here. All you need to do is to forward this video to me and tell me that you need the promo, just B's M plus promo, and we get 50% discount. Because if I take you to the price list, you will see that this is really serious. Just wanna make people to get successful in trading. So here we have this database. You see the actual price of Boomcrash and this is Millionaire cost is $250, meaning 50% discount. We offer you $125 to have access to this course. Okay, so you really need to take advantage of this before it is over. Just 48 hours it will be over. Okay, see this is the table of contents. These are the things you will be learning in the course. You see, when you come to here by calculations of Victor Boomcrash indices, you see that we are really actually renovating trading to make people succeed. You see, you trade 2 candle, 3 candle, 4 candle, you use a lot of cleanish indicator, but you are not making a progress. When you lose, you lose big. When you make profit, you make small. That is not it. Here we teach you how to make big profit and lose small. What makes you successful trader is when you risk small to gain big. So I think after 48 hours, it will go back to $250. You can team up with a group of traders, contribute money. Maybe 3 people can contribute money together and have access to this course. But the best thing is to buy it yourself. But if you don't have enough money, you can team up with 2 or 3 traders and buy the course, and you can watch it. Okay, but the main thing is that you shouldn't go and plagiarize or start selling or operating the course. So that is it. I'm just trying my best way to help you, because if you trade Boomcrash and this is for a couple of years and you are not profitable, then this is the right course to buy. So thank you and bye for now.